Hi everyone. On Windows 10, when you have many applications registered to run at startup, you'll notice that your device will take longer to start, the experience may feel sluggish, and battery life won't last long. If this happens, you can use the Startup page in the Settings app to control which Microsoft Store and traditional Win32 desktop apps are allowed to run at startup. Of course, you can continue to use Task Manager to manage these settings, but moving forward the preferred method would be using Settings. In this video, you'll learn the steps to configure which apps are allowed to run at startup on Windows 10. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 10 and click on Apps. Next, click on Startup. To disable apps at startup, turn the toggle switch off for the apps you want to disable at startup. The apps you have disabled will no longer run at startup. If you're not sure which ones to turn off, on each app in the list, you'll notice a label letting you know how the app is impacting the startup process. To allow app to run at startup, turn the toggle switch on for the apps you want to run at startup. The apps will open automatically at startup. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.